Now that you know a little more about Upwork Payroll, you probably have questions. Questions like, can I work with talent outside the US? Absolutely. Upwork is the world's work marketplace. That means you can work with talent around the globe. You can easily hire talent located nearly anywhere in the US and in over 160 countries worldwide. Fees and availability for international services vary by country. For more information, contact the Upwork Payroll team directly. Can a worker be exempt? Good question. Yes, in some cases. Our staffing partner can conduct a detailed analysis to determine the appropriate classification. If you think a worker qualifies as exempt under applicable law, our staffing partner can conduct a detailed analysis to determine the appropriate classification. How soon can a new worker get started? For most US-based workers, plan to allow 3 to 5 business days to complete the onboarding process. For international workers, the time frame may vary by country. Are there minimum wage requirements? With the Upwork Payroll solution, minimum wage compliance is included based on the worker's local minimum wage laws. Will Upwork Payroll perform a background check? Our staffing partner will complete a standard background check at no additional cost to you. Are expense reimbursements marked up? Expense reimbursements to the worker never include a markup fee. How long does it take to end an assignment? Under most circumstances, you'll need to provide your Upwork payroll specialist with at least 72 hours notice before ending a US-based Upwork payroll assignment. This provides enough time to comply with any termination requirements, including state laws governing final paychecks or termination paperwork. What other obligations would my company have as a client? A few basic but important ones. If you're providing a workplace, make sure it's a physically safe, harassment-free, and discrimination-free environment. Make sure the workers get paid rest breaks and unpaid meal breaks as required by local laws. If you want to change the details of your assignment or have a concern about a worker's performance, let the Upwork Payroll team know right away. Email the Upwork Payroll team and a specialist will get back to you shortly. Hire with ease on the world's work marketplace.